Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Is one of the most historic and emotional moments in Africa. Happened on 6th of March 1957.
At long last, the battle has ended. And thus, Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever. From now on, there is a new African in the world. That new African, and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing all of us. Now I want you all, those who have hats on, to take off your hats and let the band play our national anthem. And from now on, that national anthem is the national anthem of the Gogo to be played on all occasions.
As Union Jack, the British flag was lowered when Ghana officially broke free from British colonial rule. Our independence inspired many African nations to fight for freedom. It marked the beginning of the end of colonial rule across the African continent. The song of the night was called The Freedom Highlife, written by Mensah, the king of African highlife music.
Ghana, land of freedom, toils of the brave and the sweat of the labor, toils of the brave which are brought